Okay, in order to hook up this 2-speed electric jack for your trailers with the toolbox here, alright, got to take out this bar first, take out these bolts, alright, you're going to have to turn it, get one side out, turn it, get the other side out, get your struts out of the way. Then you have to push back the spring in there and pull out the shaft. Okay, this is the Bulldog 2-speed hand crank jack. When you are putting the electric motor on it, in order to get to that second pin they're talking about in the one video, the only other video I've seen on the internet, they don't say anything about the 2-speed jack. So anyways, for the 2-speed jack, you've got to basically take it all apart, and then the pins on the inside of it, okay? The pins on the inside of it, and you just gotta pull it out of there. And then it should be able to pull out. So let's go to the other side and pull it out. There it is. There it is. That's how it's done, people. Electric part on it.
It's recording.
It's recording?
Yeah.
Get you a plasma cutter.
You're hitting your jack stand, you know. Spark.
I think it popped it.
Hit it. Yeah, and we'll some up under the bottom there, and hell, that should be good enough to hold it.
Done?
Huh? Good?
Are you done?
I think. And if you would, give me a like and subscribe. More videos are going to come. So if it's red, that means you're not subscribed. If it's gray, you've already subscribed, and thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Hello, guys.
Oh, there's Miranda. All right, say bye.